How to sign in to Stripe dashboard on the website. The Stripe dashboard lets us manage payments, customers, and payouts online. So we can just go over and follow up this process to do it safely and efficiently. So we open up a browser, any of the browser available, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, and you can go to stripe.com directly on you. And once we are here, we may look out for the menu option, usually in the top right corner, tap on it and that should open up a menu. And within the given options, select the very last option called sign in and tap on it. Now that we have tapped on it, what we can do is we can directly look out for the section in order to sign in. So for that, wait for the page to load up. And there we go. This is how it should appear. Now, in order to sign in, we can sign in using our email, the Google, the passkey, the SSO, etc. So if you want to sign in, what you can do is you can basically provide in your email address if you have created your email. Used your email in order to create your account. And right below it, we need to provide in the password that you used in order to create that account. And once it is done, you can just go over and tap on sign in and enter the code to verify your identity if there is any kind of two-factor authentication on. And after the verification, will be redirected to the Stripe dashboard where we can view out the payments, payouts, manage customers and subscriptions, and that's it. And now we have successfully signed in into the Stripe dashboard on the website. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.